Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like this video. So let's start the video, and don't forget to comment me that I can bring for you beautiful videos. So let's start the video without wasting any time. You can see this one, the beautiful window is there. The decoration is all very beautiful, looking very beautiful and attractive, very good. It's also very beautiful. You can see the bed, the white color bed, and outside you can see green color, small plants and all, looking very beautiful, very good in white color, full decoration. This is also very beautiful. You can see the bed and all, and the brown color decoration and all. The outside you can see the small plants and all, looking very good, very attractive, very good looking. This is also very beautiful. You can see the mirror window, you can see outside, beautiful view, and the lamp, you can see lamp and all, and the bed you can see the wall, you can see white color walls and all. This one also very beautiful. You can see the wall sides, lights and all, looking very beautiful, very good, also very attractive. It's also very beautiful. You can see the lamps and all, and the window you can see beautiful mirror and all, looking very beautiful. This is also very beautiful. You can see the mirror outside, and up you can see the like a tree and pins lamp, looking very beautiful, very good looking. This one, and this also you can see the small plants and all, and the bulbs, you can see beautiful bulb and all. Down floor you can see the wooden theme, looking very beautiful. This is also very beautiful. You can see the mirror wall and all, looking very beautiful, good looking. The wall you can see very beautiful, very attractive. The floor, it's also very beautiful. You can see the full mirror up, you can see inside, you can see beautiful mirror and all, and the wooden color theme, looking very beautiful, and the table also looking very beautiful, shining theme. And so you can see it is also looking very beautiful. You can see the bed and the window, you can see glass outside the floor, you can see beautiful floor, cupboard and all, and up you can see white color theme. This is also very beautiful. You can see you can do your makeup and all, beautiful place and all, and the dress changing area, very beautiful, looking very attractive. And it's also very beautiful. You can see the lamp, the small plants and all, very beautiful plants. The lamp, you can see the wall light, you can see coming down, and decoration, the side TV screen sides, you can see beautiful. This is also very beautiful. You can see the pink color sofas and all, and the wall you can see white color and all, looking very beautiful. And this is also very beautiful. You can see the wall and the lamp, you can see beautiful lamp and all, very beautiful, looking very beautiful. And the mirror up, you can see skies and all, looking very beautiful. Also you can see very beautiful. You can see the glass and all, you can see up, and the lamp, beautiful lamps and all, good looking. So also you can see very beautiful the bulbs, you can see the lights, beautiful lights and all. And down you can see this one, the towel, you can see you sit here and enjoy beautiful decoration and all, good decoration. And so also you can see blue color, and outside view you can see. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to comment and share this with your friends. That comment me and press the bell icon that I can bring for you beautiful videos, VIP videos. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon.